लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा। लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा दौड़ा अरे दौड़ा। Namaskar children. Yes, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Surprised? लकड़ी की काठी क्यों गई? Oh, it's a poem, it's a poetry जो हम सब ने सुनी है। मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी। क्यों ना एक बार और गाई जाए? Come on, sing with me. लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा। सबने गाया? नहीं? And it's my order to sing with me. Come on everyone. लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़े की जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा। Did we enjoy it? Yes, we did. लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, some of the old memories that we have. अभी भी अगर हम ये पूल पे जाते हैं, there are horse carts और घोड़ा गाड़ी जिसे हम बोलते हैं, we still find it there. and मैं तो भाई हर संडे को जाती हूँ वहाँ पे टिक टिक घोड़े में बैठने के लिए. and I know many of you would also be going, right? So today our topic is the poem, the heading of which is The Peddler's Caravan. Now what is caravan? I guess you have studied in science that caravan is a type of house which can move from one place to another, right? जो बंजारे लोग होते हैं या जिनका हमारे जैसा ईंट मकान का घर नहीं होता है, दे ट्रैवल फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर इन सर्च ऑफ फूड, इन सर्च ऑफ वर्क, इन सर्च ऑफ मनी. एंड वन मोर टाइम, जब बहुत साल पहले की अगर हम बात करें तो अगर आप जो माइथोलॉजिकल सीरीज अगर आप देख रहे हो या यू नो इफ़ यू हैव सीन मूवीज़ एंशियंट टाइम की, तो उसमें जब राजा महाराजा ट्रैवल करते थे, अगर आपने ये अजय देवगन वाली कौन सी मूवी थी, अजय देवगन एंड काजोल, तानाजी, आई होप आई गेस आप सबने देखी होगी. तानाजी मूवी में, बहुत सारी मूवीज़ में मेडिवल पीरियड को जो दिखाता था पहले के ज़माने का, तब ट्रैवलिंग वॉज अ वेरी बिग वर्क. नाउ द वन हु ट्रैवल्ड फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, जो ट्रैवल करते थे, दे यूज टू कैरी एवरीथिंग विद देम. फूड के लिए कपड़ा, यूटेंसिल्स, everything, bathing materials, everything they used to carry. All right. Now this caravan, this peddler's caravan, is a tiny little house of that peddler. All right. And it is a beautifully written poem जहाँ पे poet has described how he is working with this caravan, the peddler. All right. चलिए. So without wasting time, let us move to the poem. Open the page. Poem page number 159, The Peddler's Caravan. We will write today's date first. The date is 19th January 1921. 1921. Right? चले 21 होता तो 20 में से 1 गया और 20 plus 1 किया 21. Clear? चलिए. Nevertheless, today is 19/1/21 Tuesday. Now, the poem is Peddler's Caravan. Caravan, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, चलता फिरता घर. You can see in the picture also. It is a house which is used to travel from one place to another. Right? Now, what is the poet? Poet is William Brighty Rance. Who is the poet? William Brighty Rance. Now, what has he written? Let us see. I wish I lived in a caravan with a horse to drive like the peddler men. Where he comes from, nobody knows, or where he goes to, but on he goes. His caravan has windows too. and a chimney of tin that the smoke comes through. He has a wife with a baby brown, and they go riding from town to town. Chairs to mend and delf to sell, he clashes the basins like a bell. Tea trays, baskets ranged in order, plates with alphabets around the border. Chairs to mend and delf to sell, he clashes the basing like a bell. That is the repeated paragraph, again misprint हो गया है. Tea trays, baskets ranged in order, plates with the alphabets around the border. The roads are brown and the sea is green, but his house is just like a bathing machine. The world is round and he can ride, rumble and splash to the other side. With the peddler man, I should like to roam and write a book where I come from, where I came when I came home. All the people would read my book, just like the travels of Captain Cook, written by विलियम ब्राइटी रेंट्स. मज़ा आया सुनने में ही, राइट? चलो, नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन द पोएम पैराग्राफ वाइज. I wish I lived in a caravan with a horse to drive like the peddler men. Where he comes from nobody knows, or where he goes to, but on he goes. Right? The poet starts the poem with the beautiful wish, or with an extraordinary wish कि I wish that I lived in a caravan, अगर मैं caravan में रहता होता, with a horse to drive like the peddler men, same as what you are seeing in the picture. Where he comes from nobody knows, obviously, right? कहाँ से आता है, कहाँ जाएगा. He has his horse with him, and he can go anywhere in the world. He can travel anywhere in the world with that horse, right? So the poet is imagining himself into this beautiful caravan, and he thinks that अगर मेरी life इसमें होती तो what would I would do. And because nobody is worried कि तुम कहाँ से आए हो, तुम कहाँ से जा रहे हो या कहाँ जा रहे हो, right? The life would be a different manner. His caravan has windows too, and a chimney of tin that the smokes come through. He has a wife with a baby brown, and they go riding from town to town, right? Here the description of this caravan, you can see in the picture. There is the description of the caravan given कि उसकी caravan में windows थे, 2 windows थे, and it also had a chimney. Now why is a chimney required? अभी तो right now we all have electronic chimneys in our houses, but generally a chimney is required to get out of the smoke, so that means that lady, his wife, is cooking food in the caravan. So the caravan does not get that extra dark smoke. So for that reason, it has chimney which can release this smoke out. So his caravan has windows and a chimney of tin. Tin is the name of a material, right? It has a chimney made up of tin that from that comes the smoke comes through. He has a wife with a baby brown, right? Small baby he is having. He's having his wife, and they go on riding from town to town, from one place to another. The whole family travels from one place to another, right? Chaliye, moving to next. Now that is in inverted comma. See, chair to mend and delf to sell. Now what is delf? Delf is generally mitti ke bartan, right? You can see the meaning of the delf. The original word of delft for delft means earthenware decorated with tin, right? Now earthenware, mitti ke bartan, which is decorated with different kind of materials, right? Now what is this peddler man shouting his? Because as I told you बच्चे कि ये क्यों travel, why हम क्यों travel नहीं करते ऐसे? अगर हम जाते हैं तो हम vacations के लिए जाते हैं या trips में जाते हैं, right? Otherwise तो we live in our homes. Why are the people traveling? Because they are looking for work. So what are they doing? They are selling something. See, chairs to mend and delf to sell. So he is telling कि अगर आपको बर्तन चाहिए, if you want to buy dells, or if you want to buy some decorative dells, or if you want your chairs to be mended माने repair करनी हो, then I can do that. He clashes the basins like a bell, right? He is having that sound. If you remember, I don't know, आपके अपार्टमेंट में या आपके लैंड में जो हॉकर्स आते हैं, हॉकर्स माने जो रास्ते पे जो कुछ बेचते हैं ना, दे आर नॉन एज हॉकर्स. नाउ दैट हॉकर्स इफ दे कम, दे शाउट, दे मेक अ डिफरेंट वॉइस, अ यूनिक वॉइस which can basically draw attention of ours towards them. All right, this is their, like, why do they do that? They do that to attract their customers. राइट वो जोर जोर से चिल्लाते हैं या कुछ बर्तन टक 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 करते हैं. ये अपन वो जैसे अभी पॉपकॉर्न वाले आते हैं तो दे आर ऑल दे आर पैटिंग देयर वेसल विद दैट इंस्ट्रूमेंट दे हैव. So basically he is also doing that, and he clashes the basins like a bell. Tea trays, baskets ranged in order, plates with the alphabet round the border, right? He has some decorative items to be sold. He wants he wants the customer around him to gather and they should buy something. अगर वो कुछ लेंगे तो ही इसके पास पैसे आएंगे, तो ही he would be able to feed his family. So what is he shouting? Chairs to mend and delf to sell. He clashes the basins like a bell. Tea trays, baskets ranged in order, plates with the alphabets round the border. The roads are brown and the sea is green, but his house is just like a bathing machine, right? The poet is imagining that the roads are brown and the sea is green, but his house is just like a bathing machine. Why is he imagining these things? He uses this line as a metaphor. Means the roads are brown and the sea is green, but his house is just like a bathing machine. So he is imagining that वहाँ पे उस जगह पे in the caravan, the peddler is having his all the basic necessity in the caravan. So that is why it's his house or his caravan is compared as the bathing machine. Bathing machine also can be pronounced, or bathing machine can also be correct pronunciation. The world is round and he can ride, rumble and splash to the other side. Right? He says that उस रोड पे जब रास्ते पे जा रहा है, सी इज़ ग्रीन, पूरा रोड ग्रीन है, द रोड्स आर ब्राउन, ही कैन वॉक आउट एंड ही कैन गो एनी वेयर इन द होल बिग वर्ल्ड. Rumble and splash, it is again used to add an element to the bathing machine. It is all imagination, and he has used metaphor as to compare both the things. With the peddler man, I should like to roam and write a book when I come home. All the people would read my book just like the travels of the Captain Cook. Right, Travels of the Captain Cook, very famous book जिसमें उनके travel stories लिखी है. अभी तो बहुत सारे डिस्कवरी में अगर आप देखो, there are so many shows which tells us about if you travel one on one, तो अकेले travel करना, कौन कौन सी destination होती है, क्या चीज़ देख सकते हो, what are the problems, what are the plus points. So the writer in the last stanza or last paragraph of the poem, he imagines that if he would get a chance to live like the peddler and if he was in the caravan, तो उसकी life पूरी अलग होती. He would travel here and there and he would write a book just like the captain, the travels of Captain Cook. Right? Isn't it a lovely imaginating poem? Yes, there are some spellings that you need to understand. Bathing machine, it has the caravan is compared to that bathing machine. Rumble, splash, ranged, tea trays, baskets, right? Chaliye. The poem is written by William Brighty Rents. Come on, now let us move to the exercise portion. Chalo, question answers of poem along with the chapter. बोथ द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, इसके कुछ 5 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, उसके चैप्टर के 4 हैं. सो आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग ऑन फ्राइडेज वीडियो एंड यू नीड टू राइट टू इन देयर होमवर्क, राइट. चलिए, सो एक्सरसाइज 1 हम लेटर ऑन डिस्कस करेंगे. कम टू एक्सरसाइज 2. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एज पर द पोएम. Nobody knows where peddler men. See, it is there in the first paragraph also. Nobody knows where the peddler man goes, but on he goes. So you have to write goes, comma, but on he goes. See, I'm passing the answers also. Nobody knows where the peddler man goes, comma, but on he goes. नेक्स्ट, द कैरावैन हैज़ अ चिमनी फ्रॉम. क्या निकलता है चिमनी में से? फ्रॉम द स्मोक कम्स, फुल स्टॉप. थर्ड वन, द पेडलर मैन सेल्स. व्हाट डज ही सेल? ही सेल्स टी ट्रेज, कॉमा, baskets and plates, right? That is there in the third line. He sells tea trays, baskets and plates. Next, the peddler man clashes the basins like a bell and cries. Cries माने यहाँ does not mean रोना, right? It means cries माने to shout out loudly, so, right? Inverted comma में you will write chairs to mend and delf to sell. Inverted comma, or that is again in there in the paragraph, chairs to mend and delf to sell. Last one, the poet wants to dash when he comes back home. क्या करना चाहता है? Poet wants to write a book. So you will write the poet wants to write a book when he comes back home. So the answers are: nobody knows where the peddler man goes, but on he goes. The caravan has a chimney, from the smoke comes. The peddler man sells tea trays, baskets and plates. The peddler man clashes the basins like a bell and cries, chairs to mend and delf to sell. The poet wants to write a book when he comes back home. Right? This is the answer of question number 2. Now let us move to question number 3. That is the last exercise for today. Easy and very good exercise. चलिए, मैच दिस वर्ड्स टू फॉर्म राइमिंग पेयर्स, राइमिंग वर्ड्स, राइट. हम बहुत सारी एक्सरसाइजेस की हुई है राइमिंग वर्ड्स की. चलिए, पिंक बॉक्सेस आर हैविंग ब्राउन, रोम, नोज, ग्रीन, कुक, men and ride. The other side, green boxes are having goes, caravan, side, town, home, machine and book. Chalo, let us start. Brown, town. Match brown with town. Roam, home. Nose, goes. Green, machine. Cook, book. Men, caravan. Ride, side. Brown town, roam, home, nose goes, green, machine, cook book, men, caravan, ride, side. These are the answers, right? So, recollecting, आज हमने क्या किया? I explained the Peddler's Caravan, a very beautiful poem written by William Brighty Renz, WBR, right? And with that, we completed question number 2 and 3. Chaliye, what would be today's homework then? Today's homework would be Unseen Passage 2 and 3. 1 is been done. हमने chapter number 9 का एक unseen passage कर दिया है, first one. So on the second page, there is Unseen Passage 2 and on the third page, it is Unseen Passage 3. So ये both unseen passages you will be doing as a homework. So please take it and mark it as HW. Unseen Passage 2 and 3 of chapter number 9 in worksheet. Right? Chaliye. Hope you had a good class. Till we meet next, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye. Take care.